thunderstruck, absolutely.
Ay mga monami, 3:30 na ng hapon. Ito nanonood kami sa total eclipse. Ngayon, ito na yung ano na dapat meron sanang sun. Pero tignan ninyo ang kapaligiran na ng Canada. Dito sa amin, oh. Very dark. Dark na ngayon. Kasi partial lang ang ano namin dito. Partial. Kaya ito yung solar eclipse. Wala dito yung ano, yung moon. Parang naano lang kami, nahagip lang kami dito. Napas lang ng Canada. Partial eclipse lang. Okay.
Essentially open up seating for as many as 50,000 people. They entertained with TV screens, with interviews about what was about to take place. They also had race cars coming around at one point before they opened up the track. So really, I made it a special experience for those who wanted to come out and watch the solar eclipse.
I've received text messages from friends and family all over the country who are watching us and therefore collectively watching